Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you some useful Notepad++ tips and tricks that can make your work faster and easier. First, open Notepad++ and create a new document. One useful feature is word wrap. You can find it under the View menu. Word wrap keeps long lines visible inside the editor window, so you don't have to scroll horizontally. Next, let's use the Find feature. Press Ctrl and F on your keyboard. Enter the word you want to find, and Notepad++ will quickly search for it in your document. You can also use Replace. Press Ctrl and H to open the Replace window. Enter the word you want to find, then enter the new word and use Replace or Replace All. Another useful feature is tabs. You can open multiple files in Notepad++ and switch between them using the tabs at the top. For quick saving, simply press Ctrl and S. This saves your current file without opening the Save menu. You can also undo your last action by pressing Ctrl and Z. Notepad++ supports many programming languages. Open the Language menu and select the appropriate language to enable syntax highlighting. This makes code easier to read and understand. You can also zoom in or zoom out to make the text easier to see. These simple features can save time and make Notepad++ much easier to use. And that's it for today's Notepad++ tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful software tutorials.